Despite a report by another Denver news organization, the attorney for Aurora Police Chief Vanessa Wilson says she is not resigning and has no plans to.
That news report said that multiple sources confirmed Wilson does plan to retire in the coming weeks. Chief Wilson, though, is out of the state on vacation right now. 9 News crime and justice reporter Matt Jablaw just talked with her lawyer, though, and Matt, her lawyer says this all seemed to start on Monday.
That's right, Tom. According to Wilson's lawyer, Wilson had a Zoom call on Monday with the city manager, during which he told her they needed to come up with an exit strategy for Wilson's departure. Her lawyer said Wilson responded that she would not resign. 2 days later, another Denver news organization cited unnamed sources that Wilson was, in fact, about to resign. Wilson was named Aurora's interim police chief in January 2020. 8 months later, she was formally named to the position. During her 2 years in office, she has fired numerous officers for misconduct, including the head of one of the police unions. She has also been charged with reforming the department that has been under heavy scrutiny following several high-profile cases, including, of course, the death of Elijah McClain. That happened in 2019 before she was chief. She's also in charge of implementing the state-ordered consent decree that was put in place after a review of the department and the use of force policies following McClain's death. Her lawyer says Wilson's reform efforts have clearly rubbed some people the wrong way.
This is coming from a concerted effort by certain members in leadership in the city of Aurora who have waged a campaign against Chief Wilson and Deputy Chief to essentially cast criticism on all the efforts Chief Wilson has made to enforce the consent decree.
In a written statement, a spokesman for the city of Aurora said, quote, "It remains wholly improper for us to engage in external, speculative conversations on any personnel matters. As we previously stated, we are focused on comprehensive public safety changes that are in the best interests of our community and employees." Wilson's lawyer said several newly elected members of the Aurora City Council have done everything they can to undermine Chief Wilson, at one point publicly calling her, quote, "trash," and making it clear, according to the lawyer, that they are determined to get rid of Chief Wilson. Tom and Alex, this one looks like it's going to get very messy very quickly.
Well, Matt, we're talking about a department already with a tremendous amount of pressure, but this internal and external pressure is mounting. It just continues to build.
This is exactly, you could argue, what they don't need.
All right, Matt Jablow, thanks.